Hey boss babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you guys saw in the title, I'm going to be doing like an office organizational thing. My office is a hot mess, as I always be saying. I'm still in the process of like reworking my workspace and just trying to get my office organized so that my mind is organized and so that everything is easily accessible for me when I'm coming in to package my orders and work for the day. So what you see me doing right here is I'm grabbing this little plastic shelf that I had. It's kind of wobbly and like it's unstable, and I had products on it. So instead of using it for products, I'm going to use it for like my paper and printer organization. So that's what we're about to get started doing. Let's hop into the video. The energy that I'm going to be harnessing during this video is going to be turquoise blue, which is associated with our throat chakra. Having a balanced blue chakra is important in order to maintain a healthy mind, body, and relationship. So I'm going to go ahead and put an affirmation on the screen so you guys can get in tune with the vibration that I'm on for this entire video. The affirmation that we're going to use today is going to be, I flow with inspiration and creativity. My body is vibrant and I am comfortable inside it. I am thankful and joyful to be me. I open myself up for creativity and passion to flow through me. Part of me resuming my entrepreneur journey and sharing like the behind the scenes with you guys is to just share that like I'm getting more comfortable with my own power and, you know, my self-expression and not being afraid to express my truth without worrying about what other people may think. And I just want to share that with you guys so that you can take that from this video while you're watching. Hopefully you will keep those affirmations in the back of your head and, you know, carry them through the rest of your day, and it will help you to feel more balanced. I don't even know what song was playing right here, but clearly I'm vibing. So I hope y'all vibing with me. And I'm just going ahead and like cleaning off this shelf because it was so dirty. Like it had been sitting for, like I said, over a year without being actually used properly. So it was getting like dusty and I wasn't feeling it. So what y'all see me doing here is I'm basically just wiping the shelf down, trying to focus more on being very, very clean and organized in my office, because a clean space is a clean mind and we can do more things. We can focus clearly. After I wiped my entire shelf down clean and it was looking nice and fresh again, I went ahead and organized all of these different label packaging that I have. I used to use Avery labels and I have so many left over but they were just all like hiding underneath my online labels. So I decided I was going to go ahead and actually organize what I'd want and get rid of what I don't want anymore. And so I'm going to go ahead and like take what I don't need anymore, toss it to the side, and then put the rest of the Avery labels in some kind of an order. So I have business cards with business cards and square labels with square labels and etc., etc. Flashback moment. This was my very first hair growth shea butter label that I designed using Canva and printed with Avery labels. And I just got so emotional looking at this because look at it. It's so cute still. I have these office desk organizers that I got from IKEA, which I'm going to place the labels inside of, but the sticker on the side I want to peel off. I didn't want to remove my 143 so that I can put my labels neatly inside of this and then put it on my shelf. You guys are going to get to see like my Virgo tendencies in action. Like I was getting so irritated with how certain things were looking. Like I got this label sitting on the shelf, but I was like, they still don't look the way I wanted to look. So I kept like re-shifting the orientation of it, like turning it landscape versus portrait. Like it was just, but anyway, I'm going to talk to you guys the entire video. I just wanted to give you guys like a preface on what I'm actually doing, but you pretty much can just watch the entire video and like go with me while I organize my office space. So I'm about to get the playlist going for y'all and I'll talk to you guys towards the end of the video.
taught me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realize I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed.
and I've been doing this for a couple of hours now, and I got a little bit done, just not everything that I wanted to get done. So I'll pick back up tomorrow. But I'm very tired, so you guys can see what I did for today, and then we'll resume with like a part 2 tomorrow.